right, welcome back to my channel. So this is another day and I'm ready. I'm ready to go out, so come with me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really hope you enjoy this vlog. I'm going out with my friends, so let's go together. Right now I'm on my way to the venue where we said we were going to meet. So when I got there, they were not there yet, so I had to wait for them to arrive. This is how the environment looks. They have different spots, places where you can play games and do different things. The basic thing is to have fun. So this is my shadow looking pretty.
Are you playing?
So they have this little seat out there, so I sat there waiting for them. And yeah, and I was like, can you imagine? See the way they were just walking majestically, they were just coming, and I was like, okay, I could swear for the both of you. Is it the two of you? You will not say hi now, Adi. Okay. So meet Ella and Ugo, but I call him Ugochukwu. That's the full name. So we went to check out the roller coaster area because we were like, we're going to try that one out, but we were just looking around at first. Two fine girls. These two people can vibe and fight at the same time. So we went to get tickets from this place. Yeah, and I don't know what I was recording, but either way, yeah, I was just showing you guys around.
I thought you guys are working.
So we went over to the roller coaster area. Guy, our hearts were beating. We were like, okay, we can do this. But the person who was scared the most was Ella. That girl was almost freaking out, but we were like, she should put it together. And then I went, he went. This was our turn. No one was able to like record me, so when I got down, I had to like film her.
She showed finally.
Well, we decided to try out another area. This side, I don't really know what they do here, but she was like, it's fun, but there were lots of kids there, and we were like, it's going to turn into a kids thing, so we decided to change the location and go somewhere else. But before then, we decided to just take a break and sit down.
What are you deleting my phone without my permission?
Ella, I don't want to join her.
So after that, we did something crazy, which I'm not even going to mention. Oh god, we can't really mention. So we decided to go to ShopRite.
Me and my squad.
Dancing, no music.
Ella, why are you running away from the video?
We got some things and we've been craving for cold stone, so we decided to get that and then other things. We got the cold stone while Ugochukwu got shawarma. He was like, he's not taking cold stone. That one prefers something heavy, something big. He's like, if he licks ice cream, it's just done, but he needs something big. I was like, I'm in for that too, but I was like, let me just go for ice cream since the girls are going for ice cream.
For real? God, you can't even.
Oh yeah, and I didn't mention, these are my friends from school. They are my classmates and my friends. So we needed to get something else. We decided to check this store, but we wanted to go into the mall, but the mall was so crowded, and we were like, the problem won't be to get what you want, but to pay would be an issue. You're going to stand on the line for over 1 hour. So we decided to check out this shop for other things. don't love all this stuff. Look at this cute thing. Yes. After everything, they went to drop me off at a place where I can get vehicle to go to my house. Yeah. Say bye. Bye. Ella, say bye. Today was really fun. After that, I went to get fabric for my backdrop at the market where I get them from. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.